Hello everyone. In this video, I am guiding yoga under the guidance of Dr. Makar that helps if you have avascular necrosis of a femoral head, AVN. Check iCard for video on AVN. To begin with, we will take a thunderbolt position, placing your hip onto your heels. Slowly bring your palms facing down onto the ground, spreading your fingertips wide and lean forward. Exhale, lean back, bringing your hip down towards your heel. Inhale forward. Exhale, bring the hip down gently. Inhale forward. Exhale, bring it back. Continue, follow this pace, making sure that your palms and your fingertips are gently placed on the ground. Gentle, slow movement and release. Slowly bring yourself lying down onto the ground. Keep your hip grounded and shoulder grounded. Lift both of your legs up. This pose will help to promote some circulation onto your hip. Slowly wiggle your toes. And take one leg down, squeezing your right knee towards your chest into a single knee to chest with one extended leg. Exhale and switch. Again, in this position, as you switch, making sure that your hips, shoulders are always grounded onto the floor. Inhale, switch. Slow, gentle movement. And from here, taking your right knee to the side into a supine tree pose. Gently lift your knee up and bring it back down. Small movement of your knee pulses. Again, you want to keep your hip neutral. You can take the other palm to the other side of the hip, ensuring that it's not tilted and it's always neutral as you lift your knee up and down in this pace. Release, and this time lifting your left knee close towards the side into a supine tree pose, and then lifting it up and slowly bring it down towards the ground. Inhale as you bring your knee up. Exhale, release back down. From here, we're going to slowly move on towards an air bicycle movement. Extend one leg forward and just bend the other knee close towards your chest or tummy area. Make sure as you extend the other leg, you're fully extending it. Just keeping a small micro bend instead of locking your knees in this position. As you place your palms onto the ground, trying to stabilize your hip in this movement. Keep on going with this pace and stay with your breath. Keep the breath slow, deep, and steady. From here, we're going to lift one leg up, preparing for a hip rotation. Start first with the external rotation. If you find yourself a hard time straightening your legs, it's okay to have a bend on your knee. And from external rotation, we're switching sides with internal rotation. And switch, lifting your left leg up. Begin with external rotation first. You also have the option, either if you like to flex your foot or maybe choose to point your toes instead. Now switch the rotation towards internal rotation. Keep the pace steady and don't rush the pace. Bend your knees together. Bring your arms towards cactus arms as you bend your elbows to the side. Squeeze your knees together and bring it into a twist towards your right side. Switch, knees towards your left, gaze towards your right side. Making sure your shoulders are grounded. And switch, knees towards your left side, gaze towards your right. We're going to change a little bit the variation here. Keeping the knees slightly apart. Still in your twist. Knees on your right and gaze towards your left. And gently switch side. Knees towards your left, gaze towards your right. Again, keep your knees slightly apart. Release. And now we move on to a toe tap twist. Lift your left leg. Toe tap towards your right side and twist here. Inhale, lift. Exhale, toe tap and twist. As you toe tap towards your right side, your gaze towards your left. Again, remember, keep your shoulders both grounded onto the floor. Exhale, toe tap. Release. Lift your right leg up. And now toe tap all the way towards the left side. And twist, gaze towards your right. Lift up. Toe tap towards your left and gaze towards your right. Always keep in mind your shoulders grounded onto the ground. Release. Now come onto the side. Bend your right elbow. Keep your elbow, hip, ankle and toes in one straight alignment. And from here, bring the knees together as we clamp it like this. Inhale, lift the left knee up. Exhale, bring the knees together. Range of motion exercises like this will help to keep your joints more flexible. Let's switch side. Now take it towards your left side. Bend your left elbow. Again, keep the elbow, hip, heel and toes in one same alignment. As you inhale, lift your knee up and bring the knees together. Inhale, lift the left knee up. Exhale, bring them together. And just keep with this pace. And release. Bring yourself onto the ground, hip neutral, shoulders flat on the ground, preparing for a bridge pose. Inhale, push your feet down and lift your hip up, chin to chest. Hold it here. Exhale, bring the hip down. Deep breath. Inhale, lift your hip up. Gentle squeezing your inner thighs. Keep the knee above the ankle. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift your hip up. Pressing your palm down. Spreading your fingertips wide. Exhale, hip down onto the ground. Roll yourself to one side of the body. Push your palm down and lift your chest up. Come into your sitting position with Bandha Konasana, a type of modification here. Slightly loose. Keep your chest open as you press your fingertips onto your ankle. Sitting bones grounded. Hip neutral. Lengthen your spine. And release. Thank you for joining the session today. Take care, everyone.